The OnePlus 15 has launched first in China starting at 4,200 RMB, around $1,600. If an international version will come later, it will be almost certainly be more expensive. So, after spending a real time with the OnePlus 15T, one thing is clear. This phone packs a full flagship experience into a compact body. It's small, comfortable to hold, and doesn't cut a single corner when it comes to specs. It features a 1632-inch display with a sleek narrow body, only 71.2mm wide, perfect for one-hand use. It fits easy in your pocket without digging into your leg. The front has an impressive 1.1mm uniform bezel all around, gives it a clean, immersive look. Paired with the 165Hz ultra high refresh rate, scrolling, browsing, and gaming feel incredibly smooth. The screen uses new generation display materials and advanced eye care technology, so it stays bright and clear in sunlight and easy on the eyes in low light, even during long sessions. Battery life is a real standout. Somehow, OnePlus fits a 7,500 mAh massive battery onto this compact chassis, bigger than what many large screen phones. For light use, it easily lasts 2 full days and a single charge. Even with heavy gaming, video shooting, and constant social media use, it still gets through a full day with no problem. Charging is just as impressive. 100W wired fast charging and 50W wireless charging, plus bypass charging tech that keeps the phone cool even while gaming and charging at the same time. Performance is fully flagship grade, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, a top tier in the Android world. Features live fast gaming engine, 165Hz high refresh rate, and triple gaming chips for serious gaming experiences. To keep temperature in check, it uses ice cooling 3.0 and large vapor chamber and graphene cooling. Real-world gaming results speak for themselves. Its performance, just as well as big gaming phones providing small size, doesn't mean weak performance. The camera system is also far beyond basic scanning level quality. It comes with a 50-megapixel Sony main camera with OIS plus a 3.5 times 85mm golden focal lens, pro scope telephoto lens. Also with OIS, full range coverage make it for portraits, landscape, and distance shots. The low light image system and the Pro Max mode lets you fine-tune colors for creative shots, whether shooting street scenes or rainy days in Chongqing or spring flowers in Shenzhen. The results are constantly impressive. It also supports 4K 120fps Dolby Vision video recording for professional level video capture. Even the small details are fully loaded. It has IP68 and IP69K dust and water resistance, so it holds up outdoor or in the rain. The 3D ultrasonic fingerprint sensor unlocks instantly even with wet hands. With durable premium glasses protection, the build quality and overall feel match any large-screen flagship. All in all, the OnePlus 15T successfully combines compact portability with flagship-level performance, battery life, cameras, and premium details. No compromises, no weak spots. If you prefer small phones for one-hand use or just want a well-rounded daily driver, this is easily one of the best compact flagship to get in 2026. I really hope OnePlus will release a global version later on, though I suspect a huge battery content will end up by downsize. So here's the all of this video. So if you like it, please subscribe and make your thumbs up. See you next time.